Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please, guys. Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please, guys. Any newcomers? Any newcomers, please type yes in the chat box. Yes, boss. Listen, our course is Advanced Java course, guys. Right. Prerequisite core Java. Oops. You must know what is class, what is object. Duration. The people who joined just today, you can happily continue. I'll provide backup videos, notes. Okay. Still, real advanced Java is not started. I'm preparing background to launch advanced Java discussions. Right. So daily 1 hour 30 minutes to 1 hour 45 minutes session will happen. Weekly 6 to 7 sessions will be there. Course fee is rupees 3,500. Our batch admin is Srikanth and his contact number is what? This. So don't call him. Please try to communicate with him through WhatsApp messages. Right. So backup videos, this is the URL to get the backup videos. And this is the place where you can collect classroom notes. Okay, I will share all the things with you. Don't worry. Group name, Natraj Java Arena. It's a private group. You have to become member of that group in order to get the content of the group. And email ID, same group name @gmail.com. If you have any further queries after seeing backup videos, after referring notes, still you are having queries, you can communicate with me through email ID. Okay. So now let me share those things. Yes, this is the place where you can collect the notes, guys. Okay, boss. Next. YouTube channel Naresh IT, boss. YouTube channel Naresh IT. ADV Java by Natraj. Yes. If you miss one class, watch one video. If you miss.
Guys, thank you very much for coming today. I have called you for a very special thing. We have an event day after tomorrow, and Kushi, you will make the necessary arrangements. Kushi,
Yes. Right. This is there. Yeah. Anyone can share. Anyone can share admin number, guys. Anyone can share admin number. Yes. Yeah. So that's the admin number, guys. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Not required now. Yeah. Admin number. These are the three details. Shall we get into our discussions, boss? Let us revise what we discussed in yesterday's class, boss. Let us revise what we discussed in yesterday's class. Tell me in Java, how many important modules are there? JSC, JWE, JME, right? Three are there. Yesterday we discussed about which module? JSC module. Today we are talking about which module? JWE module. JSC and JWE module, but today we just covered what is distributed application with respect to JWE module. Yes, Java Enterprise Edition. Using that module, what kind of applications we can develop, guys? Enterprise applications. How many types of enterprise applications are there? Two types. One is web application, other one is distributed application. Web applications are nothing but website, guys, regular website. Okay, yesterday we focused more on what? Distributed application. Come on. What is distributed application, boss? It is a client server application where both client and servers are software application interacting with each other through method calls. So client will communicate with the server through method call, not with request response, guys. Okay. So a distributed application, server application can have different types of clients, either locally to server application or remotely to server application. That means here this client and server application can be there local to server application, can be there remote to application, and it can have different types of client application. For example, you think about book my show. Book my show application is there as a server application of distributed application. It can get request from what, guys? Website bookmyshow.com. One client is bookmyshow.com. Another client is mobile application, Android or iOS. Another client is standalone or desktop application. Come on, guys. Standalone or desktop application. Next, another client is IVRS, interactive voice response system. Press 1 to select the key, press 1 to select the seat, press 2 to confirm the seat. Interactive voice response system, guys. Tell me, it's a client server application where client and server both are software applications. Come on, guys. Client and server both are software applications. Okay, but client will talk with the server through method call, Java method call. And the server application is having only one type of clients or different types of clients. Come on, speak out. I want active people here. Only one type of clients or different types of clients. So definitely we need to have different types of clients. Is that clear, guys? Only one type of clients or different types of clients. Definitely different types of clients are required. Super. I have given many examples, guys. Browser talk to flipkart.com web application. Flipkart.com using Google Pay is a distributed application. So overall Google Pay comes under what, guys? Distributed application. Okay, now listen. Browser talking to crickbus.com web application. Crickbus.com talking to ICC score provider. ICC score provider, come on, is called distributed application. But this ICC score provider not only will have crickbus.com as the client, dream level mobile application also can be there as client, or crickinfo.com can be there as a client, or there are so many applications nowadays here, they can have different types of clients or not. Right. While working, while doing trading in India, stock market trading in India, browser talks to sharecon.com. That is a web application. Or Zerodha.com, web application. Upstocks.com, web application. Sharecon.com talking to BSC or NSC application. Bombay Stock Exchange or National Stock Exchange application is a distributed application. Come on, guys. Tell me, boss, what are the technologies we are having to develop the distributed applications in Java, boss? RMI, EasyAB, Corba, web service. What is latest? Web service is the latest. Come on. Right. But, but, nowadays people are working with the technologies directly. They are working with the frameworks. Frameworks. Are you understanding my point? Frameworks. They are working with what? Technologies of frame. Array, web service is the category name. Web service is the category. Web service is the category name that can be implemented in technologies, that can be implemented in frameworks. Are you listening my statement, guys? Reason. Web service implementation using JAX RPC, JAX WS technologies. Web service implementation using Axis, Apache CFX, Spring REST frameworks. Web service is a concept which can be implemented either in the technology or in the frameworks. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Lastly, we discussed the differences between web application and distributed applications. Lastly, we discussed the differences between web application and distributed application. Okay, just assume a website in your brain. It's a client server application where client is a browser, server is a software application. Browser giving request to gmail.com, browser giving request to yahoo.com, browser giving request to nareshit.com. Come on. So browser is fixed, guys, and server side is a software application. Now listen. Distributed application, it's a client server application where client and server applications are software application. Listen, you are talking to flipkart.com, flipkart.com talking to Google Pay. So flipkart.com talking to Google Pay, flipkart.com is the client, Google Pay is the server. So here both client and servers are distributed applications or not. Next, it is a thin client fat server application. Okay, browser talking to NareshIT.com. Browser side anything will be there or everything will be there in NareshIT.com. Browser side nothing will be there. Very lightweight. Come on, just browser will be there. Everything of website will be there in NareshIT.com. All logic, entire button is there in NareshIT.com. That's why it is called what? Thin client fat server. Okay. Distributed application. Come on. Fat client and fat server. NareshIT.com using Google Pay. NareshIT.com using Google Pay. NareshIT.com is having some logics. Google Pay is also having some logic. Both are equally having some responsibilities. That's why it is called fat server and fat client application. Come on, guys. Next one. Allows only browsers as clients. Allows different types of clients like websites, mobile application, IVRS application, desktop application, and etc. Different types of clients are allowed, guys. Next, communication takes place based on request response model. Array, I open browser, press nareshit.com, enter. Request goes to nareshit.com. Nareshit.com takes the request, process the request, gives the web page. That is response. But in distributed application, communication happens through method calls. Are both are applications now, boss. Both are applications. Here, no request, no response. Everything happens through method calls. Communication happens through method calls. Look at this diagram. Book My Show application is having what? Book tickets method. Okay, bookmyshow.com is calling that method or not. That's why communication is happening. That's why communication is happening. Are you getting my point there? Everything, yesterday we spent a lot of time on this, Babu, but high level knowledge I have given. Technically, we didn't discuss much. I explained what is high level, what is what high level. Yes, now listen carefully. To develop web applications, use Servlet JSP, which are technologies. Struts, Spring MVC, JSF, which are framework. Right now, Spring MVC framework is very popular. To develop Java-based distributed application, take the support of what? RMI, EasyB, Corba, web services. Web services. Are you understanding my point? Listen, in web service, which is technology, JAX WS is the technology. JAX WS is technology. Or Spring REST, Apache, CFX, Axis. These are also web services, guys, but they are frameworks. These are also web services, but these are frameworks, web services. All the three things comes under what? Web services only. but these are frameworks to work with web services. JAX-WS is the technology to work with web services. I hope you are now getting clarity. Web service can be developed by using what? Technology can be developed by using frameworks. Spring REST, Apache, CFX, Access are the frameworks to work with web services. To develop distributed application, as of now, web service is really doing well. Okay, to work with web service in technology angle, JAX-WS. To work with web services in framework angle, these many are there. But as of now, industry is using Spring REST a lot to work with web services. That's why I kept the check mark for it. I think everyone enjoyed my point, guys. Shall I move to today's discussion? Yes. Yeah, to bear me, to follow me, okay, to enjoy advanced Java, core Java completely not required. You should know what is class, what is object. Sir, when programming will be started? Okay, when programming will be started? Yes, it's a matter of 1-2 sessions. After that, coding will be started. First, some core Java coding will be started, which is required for advanced Java. Then I will start JDBC, Servlet, big program, big applications we develop. Okay, now listen carefully. Don't ever compare core Java learning and advanced Java learning. Why, sir? In core Java, your main aim is habituating with Java. What is class? What is object? Habituating with the syntax. It's like learning alphabets of English. What is A, what is B, what is C. No application development, no project development, no task completion. Are you listening my statement? But advanced Java is not like that. Frameworks are not like that. Day 1 to last day, your main target will be how to take the requirement, how to take the task, how to write, develop the task, how to submit the task, how to survive in the company. How to survive in the company. Generally in core Java, what we learn, okay, na? Okay, generally in core Java, what we learn, one definition, one syntax, one application, one example application. The two, what a POC, proof of concept. But in advanced Java, that style will not be there. In advanced Java, what is the task? What are the requirements in the task? Come on. How to use predefined classes, third party classes, user defined classes together to complete the task and how to submit the task. It's a purely company orientation will be there. Can you compare the learning process of LKG, UKG with the 10th class? Can you compare learning process of LKG, UKG with college learning, plus 2 learning, IIT entrance exam learning? Yes. Core Java learning is like LKG, UKG learning of Java. Advanced Java is learning like, come on, okay, studying 7th class, 8th class, 9th class. Frameworks learning is like studying plus 2, engineering, post graduation kind of thing. So that's why undergraduation and post graduation level. So that's why you should not compare both learning processes. So there our main focus is what is class, what is object, how to create a class, how to create an object. This is the main concentration. In advanced Java, what is the target? How to use multiple classes together. How to mix multiple classes together. Come on. For completing the task. So your core Java is useful only in the interview, not in the survival of the job. Okay. But your advanced Java framework style of learning is required in the interview room, is required in the system test. System test means Array, before joining company, nowadays some companies are conducting system test also. They are giving small task and they are asking you to complete by giving time frame. You have to complete system test and also required every day after joining in the company. So that's why don't ever compare both learning processes. I think you are understanding my point. It will be project oriented learning. It will be company oriented learning. Understanding my point there? So this is what task oriented learning. You have to tune yourself like that. Okay, na? Right. Okay. Now let's go for, yeah. Some people are started asking personalized question. I'm a fresher. How to get the job? Okay, I'm a non-IT background student. Can I get the job? All people will get the job. Okay, but please ask this kind of question at the last 10 minutes will be for you. Right. System test will be on the frameworks and advanced Java, not on core Java. But advanced Java advanced Java frameworks means indirectly what core Java is there, because core Java is the base for everything. Yes, boss. Intro 5, April 9th. Fine, boss. Now listen. I'm going to take you to next level. Today you will get more clarity. What is Java is capable of? Why people are crazy about Java? So far, your friend said that Java, Java, Java. And in core Java class, your sir has written class with main method SOP, welcome to Java. And you felt for this one, Java is popular. No, Java is not popular. That is only welcome program for you. Java is popular for website development. Java is popular for what? Because see, generally people show lot of craziness on Java, boss. Come on. So, but Java is not popular for class with main method with SOP statements, guys. Java is popular for website development. Java is popular for distribute application. Java is popular for mobile application development. Java is popular for other kind of applications. Yes, all those things are going to happen with the support of advanced Java and frameworks. Are you understanding my point, guys? Come on, let's come back. An enterprise application. An enterprise application can be a web application or distributed application or combination of both. Combination of both. Generally, enterprise applications are N-tier applications, nothing but multi-layer applications. Understanding, boy? Multi-layer applications. What is that, guys? Multi-layer application. Multi-layer applications. Okay, boss. Shall we concentrate on this one, boss? Right. Focus. Example. E-commerce applications are called enterprise applications. E-commerce with card payment are called enterprise application. Are examples for enterprise application. Enterprise application, nothing but web application plus a distributed application. Yes, boss. Now see how it will work, boss. This is very interesting. This is my browser. Everyone should listen carefully, guys. This is my browser. Who will be operating browser, my dear? One or other end user will be operating the browser. Today you'll understand how online payments will happen when I use credit card or debit card. Yes, here is my end user, guys. Here is. This is my flipkart.com. Flipkart. Okay, every time flipkart.com felt bora, mintra.com. What is that? Mintra.com. Right? It's a website. Now listen, end user came, completed shopping, added items to shopping cart, proceed for billing, total has come, discount has come. Okay, now proceed for payment. He has chosen credit card or debit card. Come on, come on. He has chosen credit card or debit card. Do you think Mintra.com will have maintain on all the logics of credit card and debit card payments? No. Why, sir? In this world, 5 to 6 companies are there providing worldwide infrastructure for credit card payments and debit card payments. They are called payment gateways. They are called payment gateways. Visa, Master, Mastrio, Cirrus. I hope you remember that. Like these 10 companies are there acting as a payment gateways. So do you think Mintra.com will show personal interest of interacting with all payment gateways, guys? And that too in different countries, in different banks, different payment gateways are popular. In different countries, in different banks, different payment gateways are popular. So that's why Mintra.com will do one safe game, guys. They will communicate with one broker company called PayPal. There are many things like this, boss. PayPal, Pay You Money, Safe Money, many things are there. But most of the people will use PayPal. This is called payment broker. Listen, listen, listen. Until I present concept, hand over your brain. Stop thinking here and there, hand over your brain, please. At the end, I will give chance to deviate from the discussion. PayPal. This is what payment broker. This payment broker will have tie up with all payment gateways, guys. Will have tie up with all payment gateways. Payment gateway 1, payment gateway 2, payment gateway 3, payment gateway 4. Total how many payment gateways are there, guys? 4 payment gateways are. Okay, they are very popular. Many are there, but these are very popular, guys. Okay, what are those? Visa, Master, Mastrio, Mastrio. Broker company means mediator company, worst fellows. Without completing broker, you completed. Okay, completed without knowing the English meaning of broker, you completed engineering. Come on, guys. Broker means mediator. Real estate broker. Real estate broker, mediator. Come on. Right. Okay. Phone Pay, Google Pay are not payment gateways. They are UPI payments. Try to learn some basic common sense knowledge also, boss. What's the use of completing engineering graduation, post graduation without knowing what is UPI payment, what is payment gateway? You should have this kind of common knowledge. Mediators, consultants are called brokers, right? Cirrus. Super, super. Okay. Now listen. Yeah. GPay, Phone Pay, they are not payment gateways. They are the UPI payments. They're wallet payments. Paytm, GPay, Phone Pay, all this comes under what? Wallet payments. I'm talking about this one online net banking payment, boss. Online net banking payment. I am not talking about UPI payments. That is another distributed application. That is another distributed application. Convince it with me, boss. Right. Okay, now listen. This visa people, yeah. This visa people, this visa people will be having, I'm purely talking about online card payment. Is that clear, guys? We'll be having tie-up with 1, 2 banks. Master people will be having tie-up with 1, 2 banks. Mastrio people will be having tie-up with 1, 2 banks. And some banks are interesting people. So they intentionally take 1 minute. They intentionally make half customers from one payment gateway, another half customers from another payment gateway. Why, sir? For example, ICICI Bank is there. 32 crore customers are there. Let us assume all 32 crore customers are having credit cards and debit card given by Visa. One day Visa server down. Worldwide Visa server down. All 32 customers of ICICI Bank will suffer or not? Okay. All 32 customers suffered for 2 days. Bank reputation gone. Lot of business gone. Faith on bank gone. So much loss will come for what? ICICI Bank. Come on, guys. Come on. I'm going to spend a lot of time on that. So that's why nowadays they are intelligently giving credit cards and debit cards from what? Multiple payment gateways. Multiple payment gateways. At least three, four. At least three, four payment gateways they are involving. Is that clear? But actually, what happens, I will tell. Okay. Actually, what happens, I will tell. Listen, everyone. These payment gateways, Visa, Master, Mastrio, Cirrus, will maintain worldwide infrastructure to work to operate credit cards and debit cards. But they cannot give to customers directly. Why, boss? They cannot do that kind of micro marketing. They cannot give that kind of micro marketing, but they know that all money transaction takes place through banks. That's why they will keep tie up with banks. They will have tie up with banks. Through banks, these cards will come to customers. Through banks, these cards will come to customers. But actually, that's why you observe your bank is not giving credit card, debit card, guys. Through bank, you are taking Visa card. Through bank, you are taking MasterCard. That's why you observe your saving account number is different, credit card number is different. Okay, your savings account number is specific to that bank and that country only, but your credit card and debit card number is international number. If you go to other country, other state, other continent also, you can work with what? Credit card and debit card, and you can we can withdraw money, you can do transaction according to that country currencies. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Right, boss. Now listen carefully. Yeah, nowadays so many other payment gateways also came, but right now I'm not worried about it. SBI. Here is my Canara Bank. Canara Bank. Now let us assume this is Union Bank. Union Bank. This is Axis Bank. This is ICICI. ICICI. This is ICICI. This is SDFC. This is my Citibank. This is my city. So many banks are there. Let us assume these two banks are having tie-up with what? Visa people. And these two banks are having tie-up with what? Master people. And this bank is having tie-up with what? Mastrio. And Mastrio cards are also there with Axis Bank. I said no, some banks are using multiple payment gateway services, and these banks are having Cirrus cards, boss. These banks are there in Cirrus card. Now listen carefully. Customer has given credit card or debit card number. Customer has operated the browser. Through browser, he has given card number, card details, just not card number, card details to Mintra.com. Mintra.com blindly passes that card number to PayPal. It's a headache of the PayPal whether that card is valid or not, whether that card will work or not. Okay, that card is given by Visa na Mastra. That card belongs to which bank? That's a purely headache of PayPal people. Mintra never keep that headache in their head. Are you listening my statement? Why? Mintra wants to sell products to customers, boss. Mintra should be busy promoting their products. Mintra should be busy offering, giving offers to customer, tempting the customers. Okay. Mintra should always be busy doing that, because in this world, 10 payment gateways are there. So time to time, new payment gateways will come. Existing one will change. Existing payment gateways will change their technologies. Existing payment gateways will change their technologies. Are you listening my statement, boss? So who will bother about doing all the things? Okay, Mintra will do. So next Jabong is there. Next Flipkart is there. Then Snapdeal is there. Everyone should do like that. Huh? No, they don't do that, because they're Shivaganesh, check your side. Problem is not there from my side. Everyone will spend time. Huh? No, they don't waste their time, because they are there attracting customers, selling products to customer, not to think about these background works, right? So taking care of those background works by talking to appropriate payment gateways, is done by whom? PayPal, who is a payment broker. PayPal, who is a payment broker. Are you listening my statement, boss? Yes, boss. Now listen. Card details are given, and those card details gone as it is to PayPal. Those card details gone as it is to PayPal. Super, boss. Next, listen carefully. Let us assume PayPal noticed that card is given by Visa. PayPal noticed that card is given by Visa. Are you listening my statement, boss? Actually, it will have tie-up with all the people, boss. But let us assume it has noticed that card is given by Visa people. Super, boss. Now tell me, guys. Okay. Giving card details, browser giving card details to this, and amount to deduct is what? 2000 rupees. Let us assume. Okay, amount to deduct is what? 2000 rupees. Super. Okay, PayPal will communicate with to deduct how much, guys? 2000 rupees. Okay, to whom? Visa people. Now, Visa people will communicate with a linked account number. Are you understanding my point? Will interact with what? Linked account number. Linked account number. What do you say, guys? Array, the payment gateway will be linked with customer bank account number. It will go to that amount 2000. Amount 2000. First checks card is blocked or not, not blocked. Next checks funds are there or not there. Yes, funds are there. Yes, funds are there. Okay, boss. So 2000 is detected by Visa, and those amount is sent to PayPal. PayPal will send to PayPal will send to Mintra, and Myntra will get a message. Myntra will give a message to customer. Yes, transaction successful. Thank you for using Myntra. Your products will be delivered within few days. Your product will be delivered within few days. Now, no doubt, pin verification, all this stuff will be there. I am not highlighting them. So this is the entire story that will happen, boss. But now listen carefully what is interesting. This fellow belongs to Hyderabad. This fellow belongs to Hyderabad. Browser also will be there in Hyderabad. Myntra.com server, I think it is there in Noida or Delhi. Delhi. PayPal application server is there. I'm assuming it is there in New York. New York. Now tell me, Visa application server is there. Come on, guys. Visa application server is there. Let us assume nearby server is there, Dubai. Dubai is there. SBI Bank server is there in the Mumbai. It is there in what? Mumbai. I hope you are understanding my statement, boss. Now focus. Now focus. Array, this much communication across the multiple countries, but things will happen within 30 seconds to 40 seconds or not. Max to max 30 seconds to 40 session. By involving these many people, payment will be done or not done. So don't you think it is looking like a borderless world, guys? Don't you think it is like borderless world? We are unnecessarily fighting. This is my border, this is your border. Once you come to online, okay, where you are, you don't know. What you are doing, you don't know. You can talk with anyone, right? Because we unnecessarily fight with China. This is my border, this is your border. We fight with Pakistan. Okay. So this is my border and your border. We fight with some other people. But look at the online virtual world. It's a borderless. Only network, borderless, right? And that too, communication interaction is happening in the fraction of seconds. I hope you are enjoying my statements, guys. So this is typical card payment, boss. Online card payment. Online card payment. Okay. Yeah. Now listen. Browser talking to tell me, Myntra.com. What is this, guys? Web application. Web application. Now listen. Myntra.com talking to PayPal, payment broker. What is that, guys? Distributed application. Are both are software applications now, boss. Distributed application. Yes, boss. Next, PayPal talking to all these payment gateways. PayPal talking to all these payment gateways. What is this? Distributed application. Are in one environment, multiple distributed applications can be there. Come on, guys. Distributed application. Yes, this payment gateway applications talking to bank applications. All these bank applications. In fact, any kind of bank application, again, distributed applications. World is full of distributed applications or not? Distributed applications. Okay, lot of network will be there, guys. No doubt in that. Super. Here network will be there. Here network will be there. No doubt in that. Super. Here network will be there, guys. Here network will be there, guys. Okay, here network is there, guys. Okay, here also there will be network. Maybe I am not highlighting that one properly here. Here also network. Here network. Here network. Everywhere network will be there. Fine. Now, plastic money, boss. Credit card, debit card comes under plastic money or not? Yes, boss. Here is my network. Here is my network. Here is my network. Yeah, these initial classes are very important, guys. This give all-rounder view. Come on, are you benefiting with initial classes? Don't think technical. Try to understand the concept. You're getting overall subject or not. All these are the assumptions. People say Java can do anything. What Java can do? And now you are able to realize, every day you do online shopping, ra Babu, but you never notice what's happening in the background, right? And everyone says your entire e-commerce website is there in Java. Are you understanding my point there? Right. Okay, guys. Yes, this is called tier 1 or layer 1. A physical or logical partition. A physical or logical partition is called layer or tier. Tier 2 or layer 2. Tier 2 or layer 2. Super. Here is my tier 3 or layer 3. Yes, boss. All these bank application comes under tier 4 or layer 4. Tier 4 or layer 4. I'm saying one statement. Believe yourself. Believe me. Believe in Java. You will get lifetime settlement, boss. Lifetime settlement. I did that work. I did that work. Okay. My father is having 2 acres of farmland. Small farmer. Small farmer. So somehow you worked hard, given me good education, and I have chosen Java and I sticked with Java. I believed myself. I believed in Java. Apart from Java domain, no other place I worked so far. And I am now financially secured. Little bit name is there in the market. It's all about trusting yourself, believing yourself, and believing the technology. Are you understanding my point? Partitions, boss. Partitions. Partitions. Partition means division. Partition means, what can I explain in English? Divisions. Divisions are called partitions. Right. Fine. So see, boss. Bill Gates says one statement. Bill Gates says one statement. Taking birth as poor is not ever mistake. But dying as poor is definitely, it's your blunder. Okay? Dying, are you understanding? Dying as a poor is definitely what, guys? It's a blunder. It's your blunder of life. It's your fault. So I don't think when you die, you never realize, you never feel for that. So work hard. World is full of opportunities, especially software industry is full of opportunities. Okay, I don't know, so many people in India says unemployment. Software industry is eagerly waiting for talented people. You touch Infosys owner, you touch CEO of any company. We have another 1-2 lakh programmers requirement. We are not getting solid people from the colleges. Because of, if we have another 1-2 lakh programmers, need is there. We have those many projects that are going to come. but we are not getting quality programmers from the colleges. So the day you become quality programmer, you are there in the industry. So that's why stop blaming society, stop blaming government, stop blaming parties, stop blaming parents. Understanding my point there? Start thinking about becoming sellable product in the software industry. And that is going to happen in these bridge courses. I never give guarantee your 16 years education, LKG to LKG to engineering, never give confidence to become software engineer, to work for software company. But the time that you are going to spend, maybe 4 months, maybe 5 months, maybe 8 months, if you take frameworks, they are going to change your life. But only the thing is you have to believe yourself, you have to believe your technology, you have to believe your faculty, and a continuous hard work is required. One day I will work hard, other 10 days I will sleep. No, 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 no. Consistency in hard work is very, very important. Consistency is very, very important. Right. Everyone come back. Right, boss. So shall I give some points, guys? Note. Payment brokers. Payment broker applications will act as bridge between e-commerce applications, and payment gateway application, and makes card payments easy for the e-commerce applications. Card payments easy for the e-commerce applications. Another note, examples, there are so many payment gateways here. PayPal is there, PayUmoney is there. Okay, Safe Pay is there. Safe Pay is there. Yes, Roger Pay is also there, and a number of things. Right. Next, payment brokers provide worldwide infrastructure worldwide infrastructure infrastructure to operate credit cards and debit cards. Okay, but they will give they will give these cards to customers in different countries through local banks. That's why you observe on your credit card and debit card, through local banks. Okay, now I will talk business angle, boss. I'll talk business angle. Sir, payment gateway is providing worldwide infrastructure. Lot of money is required. Okay, banks also giving customers to what payment gateways. Why banks should do that? Why PayPal should help e-commerce website? Are a lot of business is involved, Ra Babu. Are you understanding my point, guys? Oh, I think this statement is not for payment broker, guys. Payment gateway. Sorry, payment gateway. Example, Visa, Master, okay, Cirrus, Visa, Master, Cirrus, yes, Rupee. Nowadays, one more thing has come. Next, okay, Mastrio, and etc. Rupee cards also coming nowadays, based on India. That's the Indian payment gateway. Yes, guys. Now listen, 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 listen. Sir, why these many? See, where is the business angle? Where is the benefit? How banks are benefited? How payment gateways are benefited? How PayPal is benefited? Everywhere business is involved. Customer asked to deduct 2,000 rupees from the credit card or debit card. Listen, okay, that amount goes to PayPal. PayPal gives that amounts to what? Payment gateway. Payment gateway will go to the bank. From the bank account, 2,000 rupees are deducted. But entire 2,000 will not go to Mintra. In that one, half percent will be taken by 0.5% will be taken by PayPal. 1% will be taken by payment gateway. They are providing worldwide infrastructure now, boss. That's why. And another half percent will be taken by banks. Another half percent will be taken by banks. Okay, what is the leftover amount, guys? What is 2% in 2% in 2000? What is 2%, boss? What is 2%? 2% is 40 rupees. If I am not wrong, 40 rupees, right? 40 rupees. That 40 rupees will be detected and remaining amount will go to Myntra people. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Remaining amount will go to Myntra people. In that 40 rupees, 20 rupees will be taken by whom? Payment gateway Visa. And come on. And 10 rupees will be taken by PayPal, and bank people will take another 10 rupees. Sir, what is there in 10 rupees? What is there in 20 rupees? Are my dear, what, my dear, per day, let us assume 1 lakh transactions are happening using Visa cards. Okay, let us assume 10 rupees only coming from each transaction. 1 lakh into 10 lakh, 10 rupees. How much, guys? 1 lakh into 10. How much, guys? 10 lakh rupees. Worldwide, just 1 lakh operation will happen. At least 1 crore transactions will happen. And everyone will use only 2,000 rupees. No, na, boss. People will use what? People will use 5,000 payment, 10,000 payment also, 1 lakh payment also, 50,000 payment also. Come on, guys. Think about how much money they will earn. One day they may earn five as a commission, as a royalty, they may earn okay 5 crore rupees, 10 crore rupees, boss. Let us assume using Visa 1 crore transactions are happening. Each transaction is giving okay 20 rupees commission. Let us assume each transaction is giving 20 rupees commission. 1 crore into 20, how much? 20 crore. One day income is 20 crore. Let us assume in that one 10 crore is expenditure. 10 crore is expenditure, infrastructure, salaries, maintenance, hardware, software. Entire expenditure is 10 crore gone. Another 10 crore profit is there or not? One day which business will earn 10 crore rupees, ra babu? I hope you understood the business model here. So this is a typical distributed application, boss. This is a typical distributed application. I think you thoroughly understood this point, guys. Right. So now listen carefully. So let's move to new discussion. I think everyone clear on what is this enterprise application? It may be just web application, it may be just a distributed application, or it may be combination of what? Distributed application plus web application. Browser talking to Mintra, web application, remaining all are what? This one. So, like this, n number of applications are there in Java. This is one simple example. Anything serious happening in your life using computer, Java will be there directly, indirectly. Okay. Anyhow, let me give one tip, boss. Nowadays, if you go to shopping malls, most of the time you use cards because that is a passion. That is passion, right? Okay. So in all shopping malls, in the MRPs, they are including 2% money. In the MRPs itself, they are keeping 2% extra. So if you are paying cash by going to shopping mall, if you are paying cash, you can demand for the 2% rupees discount. Are you getting my point? You can demand for the 2% discount, guys. You go to small shop, you say I will pay through card. They will simply say, sorry boss, you have to pay 2% extra, because they know that if you pay 10,000 rupees, they are not going to get complete 1,000 rupees. So they are going to get 2% deduction. That's why they collect from you. That's the reason they collect from you. But in shopping mall, they never ask to pay 2% extra because they already included in the MRP. So if you are paying cash in the shopping mall, you have a right to ask for the 2% discount. Got it? This is the tip I am giving to you people. Just take it and use it. Okay, someone is asking me, what is the difference between payment broker and payment gateway? A payment gateway is the organization or company who provides worldwide infrastructure to operate cards. Come on. But payment broker is the bridge between e-commerce website and payment gateways. Which card belongs to which payment gateway, which card should go to which payment gateway for payment deduction, all these things is done by payment broker. It's something like this: buyers, sellers, this is a mediator. The students, faculties, Naresh IT, mediator, middleman. Okay, student comes, I need Java. Which student should go to which faculty? Which subject student should go to which faculty is decided by middleman called what? Naresh IT. Naresh IT also some kind of consultant organization, broker organization. Understanding my point? Right. Don't try to remember. Try to understand. If you understand, you never forget. If you try to remember, you will feel heavy. Is that clear? Array, companies will not give 50,000 salary, 1 lakh salary just like that, Ra Babu. They expect something from you, some knowledge from you, some coding from you, some terminologies from you. Acha, you just completed engineering, you got one certificate, they will give 1 lakh rupee salary. No, you should know what they are looking for. Come on, someone is asking me, should I study all these things or should I remember all these things? Or don't remember. Don't ask a job in the company also. To pay 10 rupees to beggar also will think twice whether he is eligible or not. When companies are paying what? 1 lakh rupee, 2 lakh rupee salary to you, don't you think you should become eligible for that? When you will become eligible? When you learn those things that is required for industry, then what I am doing here, I am doing the same thing. I'm there is a gap between your engineering knowledge and the industry requirement. I am acting as a bridge between to fill that gap. I am acting as a bridge to fill that gap. This is the bridge course that makes you sellable product in the industry. You are just a graduate but not sellable product for software industry. These courses makes you sellable products in the software industry. So these courses are more important for you people. Yes, let's come back. Anyhow, discussion has come. Java fresher, what you should learn. Java fresher, what you should learn. Core Java, advanced Java, Oracle must. Core Java, advanced Java must. Spring. Spring or Spring Boot. Spring or Spring Boot, both are same, boss. Spring Boot is extension of Spring. Okay, this is, if you learn, more calls, more weightage in the resume. But these are must. But apart from this, what is most important is CRT course, guys. Campus recruitment training, where, okay, your all these things will be covered, guys. What will be covered? Aptitude, reasoning, okay, and etc. will be covered. Yes, 30% importance to CRT, 40% importance to core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, but learning Spring Boot is added advantage. Understanding my statement? These are enough. No need of learning Hibernate, no need of learning anything else. These are sufficient. Sufficient means sufficient. No, sir, I want to get more weightage, learn Hibernate and other things also. Java experienced 1+. Java experienced 1+. Acha, sir, should I learn data structures and algorithm? Listen, as a fresher, your target is joining in Google, Amazon, Oracle. Then learn data structure and algorithm. Sir, my target is not that. Goli maro. Just goli maro. Data structures and algorithm is not everyone's cup of tea, boss. Lot of mathematical knowledge, lot of analyzation is required. No, sir, my dream company is Amazon. My dream company is what? Google. My dream company is Oracle. My dream company is DAY-5. Okay, 1 hour other day I should work for them. Okay, and then you have to learn 1 hour other day. Because for experienced people also, they expect what? Data structures and algorithms. DAY-5 is one more company is there. Bipin Kumar, network is their problem, your side. Rejoin. Those are having with audio problem. Got the point? Yes. So data structure algorithm, don't waste time. Don't waste time, because you are, don't concentrate on 1% companies. 99% companies are there to give equal packages, sometimes more packages than those companies. Focus on it. But nothing will be wasted. Whatever you learn in your life, nothing will be wasted. But priorities should be there. Okay, priority should be there. Right now, you need a Java, you need a job in Amazon. You need a Java, you need a job in Google. According to that, think about learning data structures and algorithms. I hope you are understanding. Yes, boss. Right. Okay, one fresher topics plus. Fresher topics plus. Spring Boot mandatory. Spring Boot mandatory. Earlier optional, mandatory. Hibernate mandatory. Spring or Spring Boot mandatory. Here Hibernate mandatory. Next, plus you should learn tools. 15 plus tools are there, guys. And you should learn design patterns. These are common for every experienced person. Yes, guys. These are common for everyone, guys. Java experienced. Java experience 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus. Yeah, whatever knowledge we are giving in the classroom, guys. Okay, that knowledge is makes you to keep up to 4 years experience, not more than that. So don't try to keep more than 4 years experience after attending these classes, because tools means me when Gradle, Git, JUnit, list of tools are there. 15 plus tools are there, boys. Fresher topics plus 1 minute. I will make very simple, boss. 1 plus topics plus 1 plus topics plus, come on, web services, microservices, microservices, Java real-time project, ra, 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 Java real-time project. No, DevOps is different. Tools are different. Some tools are part of DevOps. Okay, 1 plus topics plus, okay, web services plus microservices plus Java real-time project. Tools and design patterns are also part, boss. Right. Yes. Tools are common for every Java student of mine. Whether you are a core Java student, advanced Java student, Spring student. Okay. And moreover, tools is not a separate course. Tools are common thing for all my students. You take any one course, two course, three course with me, tools will be learned on weekends as a common topics. Design pattern is a separate course that you have to learn by spending 45 days to 50 days. But tools are free. In Naresh IT tools, we don't charge. Every tool is free. Once you join any course, tools will come. It's up to you. You want to learn 5 tools, learn only 5 tools. You want to learn 10 tools, learn all the 10 tools. You want to learn 20 tools, learn all the 20 tools. Okay, guys. And you have to do one project, boss. When you're showing these many years of experience, you have to do one project. Definitely you should do one project, guys. Right. Fine. Sir, everyone should learn tools, Ra Babu. Fresher not required, but anyone who is planning to show gap has experience everything. Real-time project will be taught by Naresh IT only. I will teach, other faculties are there teaching real-time projects. Except core Java, remaining all subjects I will take care. Okay, boss. Hmm. Fresher. Sir, I know you are going to teach by keeping experienced people in mind. Are experience means showing gap as experience, boss. Showing gap as experience. That means you are going to teach very depth. Very depth. As a fresher, why should I learn that much? As a fresher, okay. Why should I learn that much? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Array, if not today, after joining in the company, you have to learn, na boss. After joining in the company, you have to learn or not? Tell me, boss. Yes, you have to learn after. Now, if you learn in the course itself, after joining in the company as a fresher, you will be identified and highlighted in the company or not. What you learn in the company will never be wasted, right? What you learn in the classroom will never be wasted. So that's why my target audience is those people are planning to show gap as experience. As a fresher, I should learn that much depth. If you learn, your life becomes easy. Array, before joining in the company itself, one project will be done by student in this course. That is Java real-time project batch. Understanding my point there? Experienced people need not to learn CRT. Okay. CRT not required. Let me say one thing. CRT not required. Experienced people, CRT not required. Experienced people, CRT not required. Maybe in the shortcut I have written fresher topics, boss. CRT is a course, separate course in Naresh IT. CRT is a separate course in Naresh IT. Yes. All these are what? Java developer positions. Rajesh, I said up to 4 years we are going to cover na boss. 4 to 5 years. Sir, where CRT class will start, everything will start. Follow my group, follow Naresh IT website, everything you will get. Okay, Java developers. If you learn all these course, you will be called as Java developers. Right, boss. Okay, now listen. What is the order of learning? Core Java, Advanced Java, you can learn parallelly. Core Java, Oracle, you can learn parallelly. Advanced Java frameworks, you can learn parallelly. Come on. But don't plan to learn one by one. Learn Core Java, get strong depth in OOPS, then start Advanced Java. Core Java, Oracle, you can plan parallelly. Any Advanced Java course, any framework course, you can learn parallelly. Understanding my statement? Baba Fakruddin, 2016 passed out. You can show 4 years experience, boss. 1 year irrelevant experience, non-IT experience, and 4 years IT experience. Okay. If you know what is class, what is object in core Java, you can come for advanced Java, and you have a still time. Another 4 5 days time is there to know what is class, what is object. In your core Java not completed, first sit in the YouTube channel of Naresh IT, learn what is class, what is object, and come for it. Fine. Ankit Tiwari, 2020 passed out. You can show 1 year gap as experience. Subham, how to show gap as experience? That I will talk specially in resume preparation class. Fine. Yes. Yes. If you are a fresher and if you complete courses with me, you can join in the company as an experienced fresher. That means compared to other fresher, you will be having a number of things. Right. 2021, you are a fresher. Up to 2022, you will be treated as a fresher. Okay, boss. CRT is a course where non-technical things will be covered, boss. Non-technical things will be covered. Right. 2022. After 2022, you will be treated as a fresher. Pawan Charan, up to 2022, you will be treated as undergraduate. 2022 to 2023, you will be treated as a fresher. Right. Okay, can I go to next one? Java full stack developer. Please concentrate. Java full stack developer. Java full stack developer. Come on, guys. Yes. Yeah, everyone please concentrate, guys. Full stack developer means one person doing multiple things. Everyone please listen. Java full stack developer. Generally, it is not for fresher. Generally, okay, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus, these people only will be called as full stack developers. So general 1 year, 2 year people will not be called as full stack developer. As a fresher, if you're trying as a full stack developer, they will laugh at you. They will laugh at you. Are you listening my statement? What are the things you have to learn? You have to learn Java domain things. What are the Java domain things you should learn? Core Java, Advanced Java, Spring Boot, Spring Boot, microservices, microservices. These are the minimum things you should learn, boss. And web services. Java side, these are the things you should learn, boss. Next, database side. Oracle or MySQL. One thing you should learn, but prefer, okay, prefer Oracle only. Next, testing side. Selenium. Testing side, you should learn Selenium. Come on. Without advanced Java, you cannot learn Spring. You should do at least Spring and advanced Java parallelly. Okay. UI, user interface, UI technologies. UI technologies. Okay, boss. HTML, JavaScript. JS means JavaScript. CSS, cascading style sheets. Cascading style sheet. Bootstrap. Okay, boss. jQuery or Angular. jQuery or Angular. One is enough. jQuery or Angular. Are you understanding my point? Are web services I have given now, boss. Web service means frameworks only. Inside the web service, you have to go for. Microservices are developed in Spring environment on the top of web services. Right, boss. Next, DevApps. DevApps tools are there. We have to learn some DevApps tools, boss. Maven, Gradle, Maven, Jenkins. Jenkins, just go by names. Just go by names. That's it. Docker and etc. Some tools are there. Jenkins and cloud, AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. Yeah. Cloud, AWS or Azure. One of these two things you learn, but you prefer AWS. You prefer AWS. Right. You prefer AWS. Listen, guys, Java full stack developer. What do you mean by this? If one project is given, you should be in a position to develop end to end. Then you will be called as Java full stack developer. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Are you listening? See, boss. Java developer means Java, listen carefully. Java developer means batsman or bowler. Java developer means batsman or bowler. Are you listening? Okay. Full stack developer means all rounder. You can do batting, you can do bowling, you can do fielding, you can do captaincy, you can do wicket keeping, you can do coaching. Are Dhoni, simply Dhoni, boss. Simply Dhoni. Full stack developer means Dhoni. You are a Dhoni. Okay. Java developer means you are either Virat Kohli or what, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar or what, uh, Hardik Patel kind of thing. That's it. Hardik Patel or Rohit Sharma kind of people. That's it. Okay. Listen. First try as a Java developer. First try as a Java developer. Are you understanding my statement? Join in the company. Parallelly learn remaining things. Upgrade to UI technology. Learn DevOps. Learn cloud. And try to become full stack developer. Try to become full stack developer. Are you listening my statement? 1 hour other day, you have to become full stack developer. When you become full stack developer, for 2 years, 3 years experience also, they will pay 12 lakh, 13 lakhs per annum. If you are a Java developer, though you are showing 4 years experience, 5 years experience, or 2 years experience, 3 years experience, they will hesitate to pay 10 lakhs. They hesitate to pay 10 lakhs. Okay, right now you remember DevOps tools are advanced tools. Cloud is environment. We don't have any computer infrastructure. Everything of internet infrastructure will be used. Cloud is something like, somewhere in the internet, hardware software setup is there. We will take them on higher basis and we use them for application development. So it's like rental system kind of thing. Software wise, hardware wise, everything taking on rental system, using them for development and completing the project. That is called cloud environment. In that one, AWS is doing nowadays very, very well. Compared to Azure, AWS is doing well. So all your small doubts are rectified or not? Okay, boss. No uses of CRT in the company. CRT is only to filter you people in the interview. Okay, na? CRT is only to filter you people in the interview. Right. Yes, boss. Listen, programmer should do some testing if you are a full stack developer. React JS comes under UI technologies category. Okay. Pooja, how to search a job? First learn subject, then apply for job portal websites, become member of multiple groups, and try to clear job guarantee program conducted by Naresh IT. Automatically job will come. First subject, not the trials. So many people will trial without subject. That's why they failure. Resume preparation and interview tips will be covered as part of tools. As part of common topics, I will tools. Okay. Kausar Begum, C language is not required if you are already good in core Java. Muhammad Umir, type your question only for one time. If you write multiple times, I will remove you from next time. 2019 passed out. I don't want to show gap as experience. Very less companies will treat you as a fresher. Why? Because already 2 years completed. Very less companies will give opportunity as a fresher. Or go for Naresh IT job guarantee program. They will place you as a fresher. Because Naresh IT is having some tie-ups with the companies. They will take senior freshers, super freshers also as a recent freshers. Yes, sir. CRT also covers group discussion. Experienced people know group discussion. Ankit Tiwari, when Naresh IT is offering all courses, why should I talk about other things? Okay, you should have a common sense. Tell me, you talk about your mother, father, you will talk about neighbor father and neighbor mother. Ankit Tiwari, use some common sense. Sagar, why people says you learn more in startups? Yes, in startups, less programmer, more work, so that you will be learn more subject. In MNCs, more programmers, less work. You will get less chance to learn the subject. Rachel, JavaScript will be covered as part of advanced Java itself. No need of learning separately. Vishnu, that depends upon the company. Depends upon the company. So everywhere you have to do coding, but based on the company projects and products, you have to do the work. Right. Chandu Jina, you cannot join Spring Boot without having knowledge of advanced Java. At least you should do parallelly. You can learn Spring Boot and core Java parallelly. But you should also have Servlet JSP knowledge before you launch, before you start learning Spring MVC. 2014 passed out. After course, can I get job as fresher? Parmila, you cannot think about trying as a fresher. Why? Because 7 years gap is there. Okay, it's impossible to try as a fresher. You have to think about showing gap as experience. Or contact Naresh IT people, they may do something for you. 2020 till 2020 June 2, PDev. 2021 June, you will be treated as a fresher. Naresh IT job portal, how to be linked. Array, we have Naresh IT group is there, jshajobs.com is there. You can go and search for that. Yeah, to become software engineer, no need of post graduation. Graduation is enough. Nilesh, duration of this advanced Java course is 100 plus sessions. 2014, my MTech completed, sir. Please give me suggestion. No option. You have to try as experienced person. Show gap as experience. Mr. Raju Bangaram. So 2014, 2021, 7 years gap is there. 4 years you show IT experience. 3 years you show as a teaching experience. Okay, boss. Some Mr. Naveen, to learn Oracle, no prerequisite. Just directly join in the course. Right. Satish, Windows Azure is a cloud environment. How to operate the cloud, how to use the cloud, that will be there. Spring itself covers Spring MVC. Spring itself covers Spring MVC. Bhushan Patil, if you join in the company morning or early morning, late matches you plan. Mr. Abhijit, I'm going to pass out this year until when company treats me as for 1 year, you will be treated as fresher. 2021 passed out. 2021 June you passed out. 2022 June you will be treated as a fresher. Abhi, in software industry, post graduation don't have any value. Zero value. So that's why stop doing post graduation. Start learning courses after graduation. Yes, some MNCs are having 60% criteria compulsory. Sagar, within 1 year of fresher, if you didn't get the success, that 1 year you can show as a experience. Okay, Subham Undare. If you know already PL SQL, SQL of Oracle, there is no need of learning Oracle course separately. Right. Sir, how many years of experience required? Your question is incomplete, boss. What is job guarantee program? After learning these courses, you have to write one written exam. And if you clear that exam without charging single NP, Naresh IT will take care of placing you people. Very wonderful option. Try to do it. Okay. Muhammad Alfat. Any gaps between academics cannot be tried as a fresher. Try to show gap as experience. Can become students also can become Java developer. Subject knowledge is important. Can 2 years gap don't want to show experience? Startup companies will prefer or MNCs prefer. Chindu, if you don't want to show experience, try with Naresh IT job guarantee program or small scale companies. They may consider your case. Sunil, gap between academics will not work out if you want to try as a fresher. Subham Patra, if you are already there in Angular Node.js, you can try as JavaScript full stack developer. If you don't like, then come to Java full stack developer. Right. Yes, you can take JDBC Servlet JSP classes parallelly. Advanced Java batch in 6 p.m. slot. So my slots are not free, but have a word with please have a word with admin people once. 2018 passed out. You can show 3 years gap as experience. For everyone, Oracle is required. Muhammad Umar, if you have a subject, automatically confidence will come. Otherwise, think about clearing job guarantee program exam of Naresh IT. Naresh IT will take care of your course. 2020 passed out. I think try for job guarantee program of Naresh IT. We'll be using Eclipse IDE and I will be giving introduction to IntelliJ. Technical support is not a IT job, guys. It is not a software job. It is just helping the people to use certain software project. I think postgraduate What consultancies are, how it works for giving job. Sir, see boss, consultancies are not going to work out. They unnecessarily charge money, do nothing. So try to learn subject and try to go on your own. Yes, let me update the notes in the Facebook, boss. Right. Advanced Java 415 basics intro. Yes, boss. Right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Everyone, please listen. First Saturday, tomorrow is holiday. Next class will be on Monday. First Saturday, tomorrow is holiday. Next class will be on Monday. If I miss anyone's question, please mail to my email account or please put questions in the group. I have another session to start, guys. Tomorrow, no class. Next class will be on Monday. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time.